Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This video is going to be about the diamond package in Power Lead System. This is going to be the first of 3 videos I'm going to create for Power Lead System and the importance of the upgrades in Power Lead System. I've talked about this so many times. If you're going to be promoting Power Lead System either directly through the sales pages that we provide in Power Lead System, or indirect ways through what you promote and the tools you use, you're going to want to get some of these upgrades. It should be everyone's goal to go all in if they, at some point, I did the diamond package right away when I first joined because I wanted to make more than just the $20 commissions you get. But the best way to make more money in Power Lead System is to buy the upgrades. The upgrades are basically online courses to help you. They're actually there to help. They're actually courses that you can use to better your marketing skills, to better your ways of promoting your business. So this is the diamond package we're going to talk about, free ad secrets. And we're going to watch the video real quick. And then after the video, I'm going to show you how the commissions work and everything. So we're going to watch that right now.
Before we complete your order, we want to let you in on our newest and most popular membership, which can multiply your income 5 times. It's called our Diamond Package, and it can pay you $100 commissions over and over again, many times, every single day. And we do this through our breakthrough accelerated leverage compensation plan. But with Diamond, your commissions are multiplied 5 times, adding an extra $100 commission to every $20 residual sale. Just 5 new members would pay you $500 in Diamond level commissions. 10 to 20 new members would pay you $1,000 to $2,000 in Diamond commissions. And 50 to 100 new members would pay you an incredible $5,000 to $10,000 in Diamond commissions. But here's where your income really begins to explode. As a Diamond member, you'll also get paid a 25% matching bonus of the Payline commissions from every Diamond member that you personally refer. If just one of your referred members made $1,000 in commissions, your 25% bonus would be $250 with no extra work. And if they made $10,000, your 25% bonus would be an incredible $2,500 paid right to you automatically. And remember, you're paid this 25% matching bonus on everyone you personally refer at the Diamond level. You could have dozens, even hundreds of people, all paying you 25% of their Diamond level commissions. And as you can see, these Diamond level commissions can turn into serious, part-time, even full-time income, with just a small group making monthly referrals. When you accept your Diamond level membership right now, you get access to one of the newest in-demand training programs. This product is called the $1 Million Secret to Getting Unlimited Free Advertising. This powerful marketing program shows you step by step exactly how to build a massive organization in any opportunity, starting from scratch. This is the exact system that helped the creator of this training program personally generate over $964,000 in advertising co-op funds, helping him to grow multiple massive organizations and different opportunities over the last 25 years. His jealously guarded co-op advertising secrets helped him create a team of over 24,000 distributors, becoming the company's top enroller and the #1 earner, all with no money out of his own pocket. Now, armed with this information, you're finally going to be able to explode your organization and build that long-term residual income that you've always wanted. Increase your income potential 5 times by adding this amazing course to your order right now for just $147. This is not $147 per month, it's just one time. So go ahead and click on that buy button below right now and get started today.
Okay, so that's the diamond package. That's what you get. We're going to go real quick on how the compensation plan works. Just as a refresher, I know you saw it there, but again, it's a one-time $147 fee. All these products that we have in our upgrades are one-time fees, and you get $100 commissions on your first level. Commissions are your $100 commissions. Your second level commissions are the 25% match bonus, or the $25 commissions that you make on all of your referrals purchases. So if, let's say, Joe brings in Mary comes in and she buys the package, you get $25 every time one of Joe's referrals comes in and buys this package. So Joe buys it, you get $100. One of his referrals buys it, you get $25. So that is the compensation plan in the Diamond package. And that's pretty much it with this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. As always, make sure you hit that like button. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll be accessible to you if you need any help. If you are part of my team and you want to reach out to me, feel free to. I put my contact information all out there, so definitely contact me. And then also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I'm putting out a lot of content this summer. A lot of content. Some of it's going to be about my business, about Power Lead System and other projects I'm working on. And then I'm just going to have regular standalone videos that I've done in the past, where it's just me talking to you, because my channel's always been about inspiring you guys to not give up on your dreams and to keep moving forward. You'll never make your dream come true if you quit. You'll never make your dream come true if you don't put the work you need to put in. So never quit, and keep working towards that goal of achieving the dreams that you want in life. This is a channel, I don't talk about anything but inspiring you to keep moving forward in your goals. And if I can be an inspiration to you guys in this really dark world we live in today, this world where it's almost like it's saying, what's the use, not to give up. This is going to be a channel of positivity, and I hope you guys enjoy my videos. And if you never join me, that's fine too. I just hope you get something out of my videos. Again, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, so you'll be notified when I upload new content. I just yesterday I did a tutorial video on how to use our web page creator in Power Lead System. So I give you pretty much the basics. I show you how I created my welcome page from the ground up. So definitely check that out. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.